The Pfaff Select 4.2 is a great machine to use when you need to secure those unraveling edges or overlock your edge. So if you don't have a serger, or if you do have a serger and it's not threaded up with the color you need and you just need to sew a straight area, let me show you the best stitches to use to overlock the edge. So what you're looking for are stitches that jump to the right. When they jump to the right, then they're going to connect or secure the raw edges. And then when you wash it, you don't get all those unraveling edges even further. How many of you like to pre-wash your fabric after you buy it from the store? So if you've got a couple yards, you throw it in the washer. And guess what? You always end up with that knotted nest. This stitch would secure the two cut ends if you were to run a seam of it, and then when you wash it, you won't have to worry about that ball of thread that comes out as you have to untangle it from the washer and dryer. So here's what you're looking for. Now, you look over here at stitch K. K has two options. The one at the top is a perfect overlock stitch. The one at the bottom, same thing, jumps to the right. So when we select stitch K by pushing down on the button, you will adjust your stitch length depending on how far apart you want the jumps to go over the edge. Now notice that it actually recommends foot 0 or 1, which would be fine, but sometimes when finer fabrics are stitched over just by a single layer, they tend to curl. So an option for you is to use your blind hem foot, the number 3 foot with the red marker. That marker is adjustable. So what I've done is actually adjusted it. So as I stitch, all I have to do is run the raw edge of the fabric right next to the red marker or guide. It's, like I said, it's adjustable, so you can turn the little screw here. It is set up for your IDT, so make sure that you do engage it. And then when you're done, pull the fabric straight out the back. There's a little pin in there, and the pin is actually what keeps the fabric from rolling or curling, and then it makes it for a more flat, professional looking edge. Now look, those stitches the edge of the fabric will not unravel when you wash it. So you can do this before you sew projects together, or even sometimes I've done it after I've sewed the seam and then come back and just overlock the edges then. So two options, but you actually have other stitches that appear to jump over to the right, and any of those will work as well.